Yes, guys. Pan the badness we're going right now. Come over here so with the flashlight. I fry up some fish and we just put up 2 chairs. I was sitting at the backyard. A banana tree there. Yeah, man. I have some chair and we just coal fire. And we fry up some fish. We have a lot more fish left over here, so we fry some over here, so we have some. Yeah, see it there. Can't go around. Yeah, man. See that would make all our little mosquito fire right there, so I go. So we run the mosquito. You see, and then over there, some brother clean up some more bonita. Today we went out there. I lost my go cam, so you won't get to see those footage. That's what we catch. We went out on my cousin boat, and yeah, see, this is small. We caught like around 50 of these today.
Yeah, 57.
Yeah, 57. A couple barra, a couple tuna. Yeah, man, we didn't do so bad, right? Jamrock Media TV. Make sure you subscribe, alright? And tell a friend to subscribe. And make sure you leave a comment and a like down below. Yeah, man. Bonita. Yeah, these are some bonita. Alright? And we are going to take out him gill. You know what I'm saying? So it's a special way you do it. Cut the tail right there, sir. And you hold it by the gill right there, sir. And you pull it and everything come out. You see that? Special way you take it out. Yeah, man. So come back over here, sir. Carry back over with me. I'm a little patta. Look a patta go on. You see it outside. Yeah, man. Out here. That's it. Man, we're out here. Yeah, do it. Is it? In Jamaica. Getting it down. Mosquito, some have on the mask. Keep off mosquito. Them. I don't know. I go already. Yeah, man. Alright, you see that Jamrock TV. Make sure you watch it. Alright, we're there. Alright, subscribe. Success right there.
Yeah.
New chef in town.
Yes. Lenny.
African comes to Jamaica.
Yes.
And get down and show us how you get down. Right? Alright. What kind of fish is that?
This one.
That one over there, parrot.
Parrot. Pink parrot.
Pink parrot. Alright. See the outside frying. Outside, see it there? Outside. Out here, we're getting it down. See it there? NJA. So see it there?
I'm very good now, man.
Trying to make our mosquito fire going. Yo, the mosquitoes in Jamaica are dangerous. Very dangerous. Pot's over here cooking now. That's what's up. Make up a little table. Yeah, let me show you my table. I just got 2 blocks and this wood right here. And I make a table. That's my seasoning right there. You already know my cooking oil. And you see, that's what's up. One of my chairs broken. Yeah, we're out here. We're doing it. We're trying. That's my water bottle right here. I was drinking. Yeah. Yeah. Aye. That's a lot of fish we fry already so far, right? We got more to go. We have a lot over there on the table. But right now, the mosquito fire, a shot. It's doing its job. It's running some mosquito. Yeah. It's doing its job. It's a shot. Alright, Success? Aye. It's shocking. What's popping? Fry fish, that's what's popping. In the backyard. In the backyard, chilling in the backyard. Nice, shine some light. Shine some light over here. Shine some light right here. Let me see. Shine some light on it. That's it, guys. Yeah. What's poppin'? Jamrock, tell them what's poppin'. Fried chicken? No, fried fish. See, chicken, guys. This is fish. Swim around. Yeah. Make one more fry, eh? Aye, aye. And I look on like that. That's what's up. That's what's up. Fry fishing at the night. Fry fishing at the night. What's popping?
Nothing is popping.
Nothing is popping. Put in some more. Yeah, rain is coming, so put in some more. One more. Wall season. Wall season. As I said, guys, I just built a quick table, 2 block and a piece of plywood. Some of my season still left over there. My season that I mix. Yeah, I know you guys want to know how do I make my fish season mix. Subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Get like a whole heap of people to subscribe, and I will tell it to you. Jamrock, I'm the best. Trust me. So yeah, I have to put some more fire pan, some more paper underneath this green bush to get it going. Thing keep outing out now. We need it. Trust me, the mosquito them but out here. I'm terrible. Nice, huh? What's poppin'? Tell me what's poppin'? Fried fish? That's what's poppin'. Yeah. We're doing it. Look at all that fried fish. All of that and more. Yeah, see it there? I have them those left to go, and some more over here. So we have left to go again. Now it's a bonita, but you know you're not gonna see we do all of it, but most of it. So take a next look at what's going on. What's going on this one? Yes guys, right now we are get some more fish prepared. So you see I just season them up right now. Gonna rub that seasoning, and we are fry some bonita over here, so we have some left there, so and we fry up all of that thing over there, so, and then that's all. We are prepare some more. Yeah, it's late right now. It's about 9 o'clock at night, so we'll try to done up. Alright, hold up. Yes guys, see there, cut up some pepper, fry up some more bonita, fry up some more. So we'll hold it, that's all. We'll cook this down with some vinegar, you know, and I'll make the magic happen. See there? Yeah man, look what it, see there? Jam rock style, yeah? We're out here in Jamaica, outdoor cooking, live. See it there? Doing it. Put that one. Steak slice, see that? Steak slice, you know, bonita. Steak slice right there. Don't get no better than that, right? Okay guys, it's getting a little bit late right now, so we're gonna kind of wrap it up, like, you know, finish up, stuff like that. So we're gonna bag up this and freeze this, and we're gonna cook down the season and put it on these that's already fried. And here's a seasoning we're gonna cook down and put on it. We're gonna take it back to us. We're gonna take it back to Toronto. You understand? We're gonna take it back to Toronto. So I'll take it back to Toronto. It's one bag.
Freezer.
I'm gonna put it in the freezer. Rest it right there. One bag. Come, do it up. I had a bag. Let me carry it on. Yep. Those going back in the freezer. I'm gonna freeze that back. Cause there's some breadfruit right there. Now we're gonna put it in the freezer. Right here, we have some more fish there. I'm gonna put these in the freezer right here, so I'm gonna freeze them for the night. Alright. Yeah, guys, I have some vinegar here. Got it in the local Jamaican market. And I actually have video with that, with me buying stuff in the market and in the supermarket. So please go ahead and check those out. And don't forget to subscribe, alright? See that we're gonna final finishing up everything. And I'm gonna put this on and we're gonna do the magic just like that. Pretty. See that now? I will go up on the final thing. I take off this part right there, so I will get a death on it. We have a piece of cardboard. I use it to hold the pot cover, pot handle, because it's hot. Yeah, I don't want them dry out too much. My big brother said not to make them dry out too much. Yeah, if those fish you can't fry them too dry. I say, so we rest the pot right there, so put on a new pot right there, so. You know what I say? And show you make this a thing, you know. Yeah, we are gonna pour some of the oil on it. You see what I'm saying? We should use a strainer, but we're not at night. Who cares? Pour some of it on it.
Alright.
And then grab the vinegar there. We'll pour the vinegar on it and we'll cover it up and we'll make it steam. That's it. My camera action. We now play out a jam rock. And we say jam rock. Pour, man. Pour. Yeah, that's good enough. We'll cover it up and we'll leave it now. See it there? And guys, thank you again for watching. Alright? Don't forget, Jamrock Media. See it there, guys? Final thing. Sauce is finally finished. Don't forget, it's a Jamrock thing. Alright? Yes, guys, see it there?